Okay, I'm going to be doing this break. This is the March 2017. I actually have a basketball crate and a baseball crate. I'm going to start with the basketball crate. So, start out with the, let's see what, okay. I got a single, okay. Supplies, cases and stuff. And here's the paper explaining what kind of stuff you'll be getting this month. Okay. So let's see. This is the first time I've ever had one of these. I got a single. So single, so select, prestige, revolution, contenders, Donruss. So this is probably what I got. That's the bonus one. These are all the ones that they talk about on the box. So let's open up the Donruss. These are all hobby packs. You get it mailed to your house, which is pretty cool. Okay, I was going through these cards. Hopefully you can focus. Okay. Interesting. Dimes insert. Isaiah Thomas. You know, I got a what did I get for rookies? Okay. Ben Simmons. Can't read that. Chinanu Onaku. Deonta Davis. This is 2016 Contenders. Got an autograph. Georgios Papagiannis from International. Okay. Greece. That's cool. That's got a Greek flag on it. First hit. Diamond Stone. Revolution, 1617. Oh, I've never had these before. Those are pretty cool looking cards. Mario Soric, rookie card for the 76ers. Rookie Revolution. Malachi Richardson. Julius Randle. And Pau Gasol. And these, that one's a little bit different. Not numbered. Wow, the back, that is some retro looking style. Prestige, 2016-17. Avery Bradley. Marcus Chris. Rookie. Michael Morotic. Stats, okay. Carmelo Anthony. Stars. Giannis. And now select. This is also 16-17. Beasley rookie. Jabari Parker. Derrick Rose Prism. Dwayne Wade. Okay, well, so I got the one hit. I move on to baseball. Let's see if we can do good at a baseball. Peanuts everywhere. Okay, here's the supplies. Got a single. Okay, here's what the paper sheds for this. Okay, so 2014 Elite Extra Edition. Okay, it's cool. Tyler Beatty. Die cut numbered to 200. I like that. I like numbered die cut. Okay, and here's just the regular packs. Chrome 16, 17 Heritage. I guess that's probably 2016 Optic, maybe 2017. And then Donruss and Topps 2017. Okay. Just gonna open it, whatever. Chrome 13. Let's start with Chrome. Start off with something good. That's a cool looking card. Youth Impact, Aaron Blair. Trevor Story, Chrome. Ooh, okay, an autograph. Tyler McQuinn, numbered out of 499. From Indians, Tyler McQuinn, Cleveland Indians. Could be good. Look it up. That's cool. I like that. Got the second hit. Oh, nice. Okay. Now let's open up this 2017 Topps Heritage. Really interesting out of there. 2017 Donruss. That's a weird looking card. Okay, the rookie's Josh Bell. An old looking card. Francisco Lindor from Cleveland. Greg Thomas, that's cool. Okay, I'm going to do Topps and finish with Optic. Cool looking cards. That looks like the 30th anniversary or something for some reason. 30 something. Not really much in there. And last pack, Mojo. Stick. Diamond Kings, Buster Posey.
That's cool. Okay, so got my 2 hits. Basketball ticket auto and baseball on card auto number to 499. Thanks for watching.